Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer payments on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to Shopify admin page at admin.shopify.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on settings. Next, just click on payments. And under payment providers, we're just going to choose a provider. And of course, we're just going to search for Payoneer. And from here, just click on Payoneer, check out native cards, proceed with installation. Of course, you're going to need to grant access permissions, so just click on install. And to start accepting payments, you're going to need to finish setting up your account. So just click on manage account. You will then be redirected to Payoneer's official webpage. And from here, all you have to do is, of course, log into your existing Payoneer account. And once everything is done on this page, you can just head back to Shopify, then finalize everything by clicking on the activate button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.